Now prepare the table, sir. Table. Particulars. FOH, sir. FOH. So budgets. Sir, here budget output is 30,000 units, sir. Here budget output is 30,000 units, sir. Here budget output is 30,000 units. So, right, BH SR, BH into SR, sir. Sir, budgets depends on past experience. So, here past experience reveals 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. So, budget hours, 30,000 hours, sir. Next, SR 1.5, sir. 30,000 into 1.5, 45,000, sir. So, that is the budgeted fixed overhead cost, 45,000. So, it depends on budget volume, sir. So, first we have to fix the budget volume, sir. Then, after fixing the budget volume, then find out the fixed overhead amount. So, budget volume is 30,000 units, sir. So, 30,000 units budget volume, sir. Required hours 30,000 hours, sir. So, then overhead cost amount is 45,000, sir. Per hour is 1.5, sir. Next, standards, sir. Standards 30,000 units. Sir, standards for actual output, sir. Here actual output is 32,500, sir. Standards 32,500. Standards for actual output. Standards for actual output. SH, SR, SH into SR. SH into SR. So, that is the standards. Right. Next, actuals. Actuals for actual output 32,500. AH, AR, AH into AR. AH into AR. AH into AR. Right. Sir. Actual output is 32,500. Actual output is 32,500. Right. Sir, actual working hours, so for actual output 33,000 hours, sir. 33,000 hours. Okay. Next, actual FOH cost incurred 50,000. Actual FOH cost incurred 50,000. So, 50,000 divided by 33,000 is equal to 1.52, sir. Right. 1.52. So, actual FOH cost for actual output is 50,000 rupees, sir. Right. Next, as per our experience, standard FOH cost for actual output. Sir, 1 unit equal to 1 unit required time 1 hour, sir. 32,500 units required time is 32,500 hours, sir. Next, SR 1.5, sir. So, 32,500 into 1.5, sir. 48,750. 48,750. 48,750. 48,750, sir. Right. Okay. Right. Right. So, 3 segments are ready, sir. Next, sir, here also calculate AH into SR, sir. AH into SR. So, 33,000 into SR 1.5 is equal to 49,500. So, standard value of actual working hours is 49,500, sir. But actual value of actual hours, actual value of actual working hours is 50,000, sir. Actual value is more, sir. So, here expenditure variance. So, negative, sir. Okay. Next, RBH. RBH. Sir, here BH means budget hours for budget working days, sir. budget hours for budget working days, budget hours for budget working days, budget hours for budget working days, sir. Budgeted hours for budget working days, that is BH, sir. BH equal to budgeted hours for budget working days. So here budget hours for budget working days equal to budget hours for budget working days. Budget working days 25 days, sir. Budget hours so 30,000 hours, sir. 30,000 hours. That equal to 30,000 hours. So budget hours per day, sir. Budget hours per day. Budget hours per day. Budget hours per day equal to 30,000 hours divided by 30,000 hours divided by 25, sir. 25. So 30,000 divided by 25, sir. 1200 hours, sir. 1200 hours per day. So 1200 hours per day. Budget hours per day equal to 1200 hours per day, sir. Budget hours per day, 1200 hours per day. Okay, next. So this is the budget hours per day, 1200 hours per day. Next, budget hours, budget hours, budget hours for actual working days, sir. For actual working days. Budget hours for actual working days. Here actual working days is 26 days, sir. So 26 days into 1200, sir. That is RBH. That is RBH. So budget hours for actual working days, that is RBH, sir. 26 days into 1200. So 26 days into 1200, sir. That is equal to, so 26 into 1200, that is equal 31,200 hours, sir. So 31,200 hours, sir. So that is the budget working time for actual working days, 31,200. But actual working time is 33,000, sir. Capacity utilization beyond 100%, sir. Capacity utilization is beyond 100%. Capacity utilization is beyond 100%, sir. Okay, right. Now RBH equal to 31,200 hours, sir. 31,200 hours. Next RBH into SR. RBH into SR. 31,200 into SR 1.5 is equal to 46,800. 46,800. 46,800, sir. 46,800. Right. Now I am ready, sir. Right. One by one I will do, sir. Variances. First, draw the diagram. SH, SR, AH, AR, FOH cost variance. FOH cost variance. FOH cost variance. Sit on x-axis, sir. Left movement SH, SR minus AH, AR. AH, AR. SH, SR equal to 48,750. 48,750 minus AH, AR 50,000. 50,000 is equal to, so 48,750 minus 50,000 is equal to 1,250 adverse. 1,250 adverse. Next, FOH expenditure variance, sir. FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance. Right, sir. So second frame down, sir. Second frame, second frame, okay, that is BH. Sir, this is the FOH expenditure variance, sir. This is the FOH expenditure variance. So BH into SR minus AH into AR. BH into SR minus AH into AR. BH into SR minus AH into AR. Right. Apply the values at BH into SR. 45,000, sir. 45,000 minus AH into AR. AH into AR 50,000, sir. 50,000. So answer 5,000 adverse, sir. 5,000 adverse. Next, FOH volume variance, sir. FOH volume variance. So that is box, sir. So this is the box volume variance, sir. So volume variance box, sit in the box, left movement, sir, SH SR, right movement, sir, BH SR. SH into SR, SH into SR minus BH into SR. SH into SR minus BH into SR. Sir, here SH into SR is 48,750, sir. 48,750. 48,750 minus BH into SR minus BH into SR 45,000, sir. 45,000. 45,000. Okay, right. Sir, 48,750 minus 45,000 is equal 3,750. 3,750 favorable, sir. Favorable, right. Sir, check the proof, sir. FOH expenditure plus FOH volume equal FOH cost, sir. So FOH expenditure variance, FOH expenditure variance plus FOH volume variance, FOH volume variance is equal to FOH cost variance. FOH cost variance, right. Sir, here FOH expenditure variance 5,000 adverse, sir. FOH volume variance 3,750 favorable, sir, is equal to FOH cost variance. FOH cost variance. So FOH cost variance equal to so 5,000 adverse, sir, 3,750 favorable. So difference 1,250, sir. 1,250 adverse, sir. Right, sir. Proved, sir. 1,250 adverse. Okay, right. Next, volume box divided into 3 pieces, sir. One piece is called efficiency. So that is SHAH. Second piece is called capacity. So RBH. Third piece is called calendar. So efficiency, capacity, calendar. So FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance, sir. FOH efficiency variance. It is the deviation between standard hours allowed for actual output and actual hours worked for actual output with SR. So it is the deviation between standard hours allowed for actual output and actual hours taken for actual output with SR. So symbolically, so sit in the box, left movement SH into SR, SH into SR, SH into SR minus AH into SR, AH into SR. So SH into SR minus AH into SR. Right, sir. SH into SR. SH into SR, sir. SH into SR 48,750. 48,750 minus AH into SR. AH into SR 49,500. 49,500 is equal to 48,750 minus 49,500 is equal to 750 adverse. 750 adverse. Next, FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. Second box. Sir, second box. AH into SR minus RBH into SR. AH into SR. AH into SR minus RBH into SR. AH into SR minus RBH into SR. Sir, AH into SR, sir. AH into SR 49,500. 49,500 minus RBH into SR. RBH into SR 46,800, sir. 46,800. 46,800. That is equal to 49,500 minus 46,800 is equal to 2,700 favorable. Next, last one, sir. FOH calendar variance. FOH calendar variance. Last box, sir. FOH calendar variance, last box. So, sit in this box. Sit in the box. Left movement, sir. RBH into SR minus BH into SR. RBH into SR. RBH into SR minus BH into SR. RBH into SR minus BH into SR. RBH into SR, sir. RBH into SR 46,800, sir. BH into SR. BH into SR 45,000, sir. 45,000. So, 46,800 minus 45,000 is equal to 1,800 favorable. 1,800 favorable, right. Sir, check the proof, sir. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance plus FOH calendar variance. FOH calendar variance. Next, FOH capacity variance. FOH, sir, second capacity, sir. FOH capacity variance. Next, FOH calendar variance. FOH calendar variance. So, FOH efficiency variance, FOH capacity variance, FOH calendar variance equal to FOH volume variance. FOH volume variance. Right. FOH efficiency variance 750 adverse. 750 adverse. FOH capacity variance 2,700 favorable. 2,700 favorable. FOH calendar variance 1,800 favorable. 1,800 favorable is equal to FOH volume variance. Is equal to FOH volume variance. So, therefore, FOH volume variance equal to FOH volume variance equal to, right, 2,700 plus 1,800 is equal to 4,500 minus 750 is equal to 3,750 favorable, sir. Please check volume variance. Please check, sir, volume variance. Exactly 3,750, right, sir? So, this is the full length formula of FOH variances, sir. So, did you understand? Okay, right. I hope you understand, sir. Right? Okay, sir. Right. Next point. Problem number So go to comprehensive model, sir. First we have to complete comprehensive model. Problem number 25, sir. Problem number 25. Problem number 25, sir. So the following information is available from the cost records of a company for the month of July 2016, sir. Sir, July month production details were given, sir. July month production details were given. Material purchased quantity in the month of July 22,000 PS, sir, at 90,000 rupees, sir. So that means purchase price per unit in the month of July, sir. Purchase price, so actual price per unit of raw material, actual price paid per unit of raw material, sir, 90,000 divided by 90,000 rupees divided by 22,000 pieces. So 4.0909, sir, 4.0909. So that is the actual price paid, so actual unit price paid, actual unit price paid. So 4.0909, right. So purchase quantity is 22,000 pieces, sir. Value of purchase 90,000. So value of purchase divided by quantity of purchase is equal to unit price of raw material. So actual unit price paid. So given details తీసుకుందాం, sir, one by one. Right. Given actual price paid per piece, actual price paid per piece in brackets AP, sir, actual price paid per piece, value of purchase divided by purchase quantity, that is equal value of purchase equal to 90,000 divided by purchase quantity 22,000 pieces is equal to 4.0909 per piece. Next, sir, material consumed. So here consumed quantity is directly given. So actual quantity of raw material consumed 21,000. Actual quantity of raw material consumed, sir. Actual quantity of raw material consumed. Actual quantity of raw material consumed, AQ, is equal to 21,000 pieces. 21,000 pieces. Actual quantity of raw material consumed 21,000 pieces. Next, sir, actual wages paid for 5,150 hours, 25,750 value. Next, fixed factory overheads incurred, fixed factory overheads budgeted. Next, actual output, sir, 6th point, please note this point, sir. Actual output 1900 units, sir. Actual output 1900 units. Actual output 1900 units, sir. Next, standards are given, sir. Right. So first calculate the material variances, sir. Next, calculate the labor variances. Next, calculate the FOH variances. So, right. First heading, the heading material variances. Material variances. So draw the table. Particulars, raw material, standard material cost for actual output, Standards for actual output 1900 units. 1900 units. Next SQ, SP, SQ into SP. Next actuals. Actuals for actual output 1900 units. AQ, AP, AQ into AP. Next AQ into SP. That is the standard value of actual quantity consumed, right? Sir, here standards are given, sir. Standard input required. See this point. Standard input required. For 1 unit required 10 pieces, sir. For 1 unit required 10 pieces. Sir, 1 unit required 10 pieces. 1900 units required 1900 into 10. So 19,000 pieces. Am I right? Sir, 1 unit required 10 pieces, sir. 1900 units required. 1900 units required 19,000 pieces. Right. Next. Standard material rate per piece 4.50. 4.50. So 19,000 into 4.5 is equal to 85,500. Is equal to 85,500. 85,500. Next, actual quantity consumed, sir. Actual quantity consumed AQ, sir, 21,000 pieces. 21,000 pieces, sir. Sir, material variances calculated on the basis of consumed quantity. So, suppose the questionnaire asked specifically on purchase quantity basis, in that time material variances is calculated on purchase quantity basis. Otherwise, always calculate on consumed quantity basis. Okay. So, actual quantity consumed 21,000 pieces. Next, sir. Next, actual price paid per piece 4.0909. 4.0909. Okay, already calculated, sir. So 90,000 divided by 22,000 is equal to 4.09090909. Okay, right. Into 21,000, sir, is equal to 85,000. 85,909. 85,909, sir. 21,000 into 4.0909. So 85,909, sir. Next, AQ into SP. 21,000 into consumed quantity standard value. As per our experience, per unit value 4.5, sir. So standard value of consumed quantity 21,000 into 4.5 is equal to 94,500. 94,500. So ready, sir. Next, labor variance table, sir. Labor variance table. Start. Particulars, labor, standards for actual output, 1900 units. 1900 units. Next, actuals 1900 units. So ascertainment of actual labor cost for actual output. Sir, SH, SR, SH into SR. Next, AH, AR, AH into AR, next AH into SR. So standard value of actual hours, actual paid hours. Okay, right. Start. Sir, in the given problem, standards are given, sir. Sir, 1 unit required time. Here, standard requirement 2.5 hours per unit. 1 unit required time is 2.5 hours, sir. 1 unit required time is 2.5 hours. 1 unit required time is 2.5 hours. 1900 units required time is 1900 units into 2.5. So 1900 into 2.5 is equal to 4750 hours. 4750 hours. Next, SR, standard wage rate per hour. Standard wage rate per hour. Standard wage rate per hour. Here, standard rate, direct labor rate 6 rupees per hour. That is the standard wage rate per hour. 6 rupees per hour. So 4750 into 6, sir. So 28,500, sir. 28,500. 28,500. Next, AH. AH. Actual hours worked. Actual hours worked here mentioned 4,150 hours. 5,150 hours, sir. Okay, 5,150 hours. Sir, here there is no idle time, sir. Paid hours and working hours both are same. Here there is no idle time. Paid hours and working hours both are same. Next, actual wage cost for actual output, sir. Actual wage cost for actual output to 25,750. 25,750. Okay, 25,750. Sir, 25,750 divided by 5150 is equal to 5 rupees. Sir, here wonder, the actual labor rate per hour is less than the standard wage rate per hour. So, in practical it is not possible. But in this problem, so there is a one thing, and sir, actual rate is less than standard rate. Okay, right. Next, AH into SR, sir. AH into SR. So that means standard value of actual paid hours 5,150 into 5,150 into 6, sir. 5,150 into 6, 30,900. 30,900. Okay, labor variances completed, sir. Next, FOH variances. FOH variances. FOH variances. First point, standard time allowed. Standard time allowed. Standard time allowed for 1 unit. Standard time allowed for 1 unit is equal, sir, here standard time allowed for 1 unit is equal standard time required 2.5 hours per unit, sir. 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 2.5 hours. Next, standard FOH recovery rate per hour. Standard FOH recovery rate per hour, sir. Budgeted FOH cost, budgeted fixed overhead cost by budgeted hours, right. Sir, here one clue is there, sir. Overhead recovery rate is directly mentioned, sir. No need to calculate 8 rupees per hour, sir. Sir, 8 rupees per hour, sir. So, overhead rate per hour 8 rupees, sir. Okay, FOH rate per hour 8 rupees. So, 8 rupees is equal to budget fixed overhead cost, sir. Budget fixed overhead cost is mentioned 42, sir. So 42,000 by budget hours. Budget hours, right. So therefore budget hours equal to 42,000 divided by 8. So 42,000 divided by 8 is equal 5,250 hours. 5,250 hours, that is the budget hours. That is the budgeted hours. Sir, here budget hours is 5,250. Budget output, sir. Sir, I will tell, sir. 1 unit required time is 2.5 hours, sir. 2.5 hours required 1 unit. So, budget output equal to for 2.5 hours. For 2.5 hours allowed for 1 unit, sir. 2.5 hours allowed for 1 unit. 2.5 hours allowed for 1 unit. For 5,250 hours, how much volume? So 1 divided by 2.5 into 5,250. 1 minute. 1 divided by 2.5. 1 divided by 2.5 into 5,250 is equal 2,100 hours, sir, 2,100 units, sir. So that is the budget volume. But actual volume is 1900, sir. Actual volume is 1900, sir. So target is not achieved, sir. Sir, here volume variance also negative, sir. So budget volume is 2,100, sir. But actual volume is 1900, sir. So here volume variance negative, sir, right? So ready, sir. Draw the table. Sir. Particulars. FOH budgets for budget volume 2,100 units. BH SR, BH into SR. Next, standards for actual output. Standards for actual output. Here actual output is 1900 units. Actual output is 1900 units. 1900 units. Right. SH, SR, SH into SR. SH into SR. Next, actuals for actual output 1900 units. 1900 units. Right. Sir, AH, AR, AH into AR. AH into AR. So AH, AR, AH into AR. So that is the actuals. Next, AH into SR. AH into SR. AH into SR. Next, RBH. Next, RBH into SR. Okay, right. Start program. BH 5,250 hours. SR already given in the problem 8 rupees. So 5,250 into 8, sir. 42,000. Next, sir, 1 unit required time is 2.5 hours. 1 unit required time is 2.5 hours. So 1900 into 2.5. 1900 into 2.5. 1900 into 2.5. 4750 hours. 4750 hours. SR 8. 4750 into 8, sir. So that is 38,000. 38,000. Next sir, actual hours. Here actual hours worked and paid 5150 hours sir, 5150 hours. 5150 hours, yeah, 5150 hours. Next, fixed factory hours incurred, actual incurred 46,000. So 46,000. So 46,000 divided by 5150 is equal to 8.93. 8.93. Next, AH into SR. 5150 SR into 8 is equal to 41,200. 41,200. Next, RBH. Sir, here days information is not available, sir. So that means budget working days equal to actual working days. Budget working days equal to actual working days. So here days information is not available, sir. Here days information is not available. Here days information is not available. That means budgeted working days is equal to actual working days. Actual working days. Here days information is not available. That means budget working days is equal to actual working days. Okay. So BH means budget hours for budget working days. Budget hours for budget working days equal to 5250 hours, sir. 5250 hours. So days are equal. So that is BH equal to RBH. RBH budget hours for actual working days. Both are same, sir. Both are same. So since here working days and budget working days and actual working days both are same, sir. So therefore BH equal to RBH. BH equal to RBH. So that is 5250 hours. 5250 hours. So 5250 into 8, sir. 5250 into 8, 42,000. Sir, 3 segments table study, sir. So material variance is table ready, labor variance is table ready, FOH variance is table ready. So now calculate the variances one by one, sir. So first one is the material price variance, sir. First one is the material price variance. So first one is the material price variance, sir. Material price variance. So material price variance. SQSP. AQAP. So this is the cost. This is the price. This is the usage. So, sir, first one, material price variance is equal to, sir, flag, sir, AQ into SP, minus AQ into AP. AQ into SP minus AQ into AP. Sir, AQ into SP, sir. AQ into SP, sir, 94,500, sir. 94,500. 94,500 minus AQ into AP, sir. AQ into AP, 85,909. 85,909. 85,909. Sir. Difference, sir. 94,500 minus 85,909 is equal to 8591. Favorable. Please check the answer. Please check the answer. Right, sir. Exactly right, sir. Okay, right. Next, second one, metal usage variance. Second one, sir, metal usage variance. Material usage variance. Metal usage variance. Metal usage variance is equal to, sir, a box SQ into SP minus AQ into SP. SQ into SP minus AQ into SP. Sir, SQ into SP 85,500, sir. 85,500 minus AQ into SP 94,500. So 85,500 minus 94,500 is equal to 9,000 adverse. 9,000 adverse. Okay, 9,000 adverse. Right, sir. Next one, sir. Labor rate variance, sir. Next to labor rate variance. Third one. Labor rate variance. Labor rate variance. Labor rate variance, sir. So draw the diagram. SH, SR, AH, AR. So this is the labor cost, sir. But in the given problem, labor cost variance did not ask, sir. So next, labor rate, sir. So separate the rate changes. Labor rate variance. This is the labor rate changes. So AH into SR minus AH into AR. AH into AR. Sir, AH into SR. AH into SR 41,200, sir. 41,200 minus AH into AR. AH into AR. So 25,750. 25,750. 25,750. Right. So AH into 25,750. 25,750. Sir, AH into SR, sir. Labor component AH into SR 30,900, sir. Wrongly mentioned, sir. 30,900. Okay. Next, AH into AR. Labor segment. Labor segment AH into AR 25,750. 25,750. 25,750. So 30,900 minus 25,750 is equal 5,150 favorable. Please check the answer. Yeah, exactly. Next, labor efficiency variance, sir. Fourth one, labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance. So this is the labor efficiency variance box, sir. Sit in the box, left moment SH into SR. SH into SR minus AH into SR. SH into SR minus AH into SR. right sir, SH into SR, labor segment SH into SR sir, 28,500, 28,500, 28,500 minus AH into SR, 30,900, 30,900. So finally 28,500 minus 30,900 is equal 2,400 adverse. 2,400 adverse. That is the labor efficiency variance. Please check sir, 2,400. Okay. Next sir, FOH expenditure variance. So fifth one, FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance. Draw the FOH graph. Sir, SH, SR, AH, AR, SH, SR minus AH, AR. So that is the FOH cost variance. Next frame BH. So this is the volume, this is the expenditure. FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance, sir, second frame. Sit in the frame, left pole BHSR, BHSR minus AHAR, AHAR, BHSR minus AHAR, BHSR sir. So BHSR in FOH segment, BHSR 42,000 sir, 42,000. So 42,000 minus AHAR, AHAR, AHAR 46,000, 46,000 is equal to 4,000 adverse, 4,000 adverse. That is the FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance 4,000 adverse. Next sir, FOH efficiency. Next FOH efficiency sir. So volume box divided to three pieces. This is efficiency SH, AH. This is capacity AH, RBH. This is calendar. So FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance is equal to SH into SR minus AH into SR. SH into SR minus AH into SR. Right. SH into SR sir. SH into SR 38,000, 38,000, 38,000 minus AH into SR, AH into SR 41,200, 41,200, 41,200 is equal 38,000 minus 41,200 is equal 3,200 adverse. Please check the answer. Right sir, there is a mistake sir, please check sir. FOH efficiency variance, FOH efficiency variance sir, FOH efficiency variance SH SR minus AH SR. SH SR SHSR 38,000. Okay, 38,000. Next AHSR 41,200. 41,200. Okay, correct, sir. So 38,000 minus 41,200, sir, is equal to 3,200 adverse, sir. So there is a printing mistake, sir. Okay, next one, sir. FOH, sir, correct, sir. No, sir. So I will see FOH efficiency, sir. Sir, here it is mentioned, sir, 3,200, right, sir? Exactly right, sir. Don't worry, exactly right. FOH efficiency. Okay, right. Next, FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. Bit number 7. FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. Capacity variance, second box, sir. AH into SR. AH into SR minus RBH into SR. RBH into SR. AH into SR. AH into SR. AH into SR 41,200. 41,200 minus RBH into SR 42,000, sir. 42,000. So answer 41,200 minus 42,000 is equal to 800, sir, adverse. Please check the answer. 800 adverse, right, sir? So comprehensive model completed, sir.